Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 8 mathematics we will solve exercise 2C. These are the all multiple choice question. Question number first, second and third all three are same. So here we will solve question number third. Exercise 2C. Question number third. The value of minus 2 to the power minus 5 is, the options are here. The first option is minus 32, that is A. Second option is minus 1 by 32. Third option is 32. And the fourth option is 1 by 32. Now we have to solve it to find out which option is correct. As you know, if a number has a negative exponent, for removing this negative sign or minus sign, we have to write the reciprocal of this exponent. So minus 1 by 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now we are solving it. Minus 1 to the power 5 by 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. That means we have to multiply minus 1 5 times. And 2 also 5 times. Now 1 1 the 1, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, here one more minus 1, only 4 we have written here. Now, so the product is here minus 1, 2 2 ya 4, 2 ya 8, 2 ya 16, 2 ya 32. So the correct option is B, minus 1 by 32. Now look at question number 4. In question number 4, 2 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to what? And the options are here 1 by 28, 1 by 128, sorry, B minus 1 by 128, C minus 1 by 8, and D 1 by 8. Now we have to solve it. As we know, two numbers are if in divide and having their same base, then we have to subtract their exponents. Similarly here, 2 to the power minus 5 when divided by 2 to the power minus 2, that means we have to subtract their exponents. Minus minus 2. So the result will be minus 5 and minus minus plus 2. So the result will be here 2 to the power minus 3. Now for removing this minus sign, we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. So 1 by 2 whole cube. That means cube of 1 and cube of 2 also. Now we are multiplying 1 3 times and 2 also 3 times. 1 1 1 1, 2 2 4, 2 8. The answer will be D, 1 by 8. Now look at question number 5. In question number 5, the value of 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 overall to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1 is, and the options are here 7 by 10, B 60 by 7, C 7 by 5, and D 7 by 50. Now we have to solve it. 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 and overall to the power minus 1 divided by 5 to the power minus 1. For solving it, for removing this minus sign, we have to write the reciprocal of it 1 by 3. Also here same, for removing the minus sign of the exponent, we have to write the reciprocal of it minus 1, 4 to the power. And for removing this minus sign, we have to write the reciprocal of it. Now, continuing here, the LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. 3 4 are 12, 4 1 are 4. 4 3 are 12, 3. Whole to the power minus 1. And when divide turns into multiply, we have to write the reciprocal of it. Now, 4 and 3, 7 by 12 to the power minus 1 into 5. Now, for removing this minus sign, we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction 12 by 7 into 5. That is 12 5 is 60 by 7. So the correct answer is here 60 by 7. Now question number 6 and 7 both are same. So we will solve here question number 7. Look at here. Now in question number 7 it is given that under curly bracket, again under a small bracket, 1 by 3 and whole to the power minus 3 plus 1 by 3, sorry, minus, here minus sign is here, 1 by 2 and whole to the power minus 3, again the curly bracket is closed, divided by 1 by 4 and whole to the power minus 3. 1 by 3 to the power minus 3 minus 1 by 2 power minus 3, and the curly bracket closed, divided by 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 3 is equal to what? And the options are here. The first option is here 19 by 64. Second option is 27 by 16. Third option is 64 by 19. And the last option is here 16 by 25. So we are solving it. When there is a negative exponent, for removing this negative sign we have to write the reciprocal of the exponent, that is cube of 3 minus. Again removing for this negative sign we have to write the reciprocal of this exponent fraction. Similarly here for removing this negative sign we have to write the reciprocal of this fraction. Now the cube of 3 is 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 and the cube of 2 is 8. Divided by the cube of 4 is 64. Now 27 minus 8, that is 19, and when divide sign turns into multiply, the next fraction becomes reciprocal, 1 by 64. So our answer will be 19 by 64. That is the A option. Okay. Now look at question number 8. In question number 8, here are the multiple power of a same base. Minus 1 by 2 to the power square to the power again whole to the power minus 2 and again whole to the power minus 1 is equal to what? And the options are here 1 by 16, B 16, C minus 1 by 16, and D is here minus 16. Okay. Now look here students, when a same base has different powers and then whole to the power and again whole to the power, then for solving it we have to multiply all the powers of the same base. So here minus 1 by 2, 2 into minus 2 again multiplied with minus 1. So if we solve it, 2 2 are 4, 4 1 are 4. Plus minus 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 plus. Now that means minus 1 to the power 4 and 2 to the power also 4. That means minus 1 we have to multiply 4 times and 2 also we have to multiply 4 times. So 1 1 is 1 continuously, minus minus plus plus minus 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 plus. Here 2 to 4 to 8 to 16, 1 by 16. And the correct option is here also A. Now question number 9 and 10 both are same. So we have to solve here question number 10. We are solving here. If 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10, that is divided by 7, is equal to 6, then x is equal to, and the options are here A minus 2, B 0, C 1 and D 2. Okay. Now we are solving it. 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10 divided by 7 is equal to 6. Therefore 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10 and 7 is here divide. So when we change the side of 7, it turns into multiply. Now 2 to the power 3x minus 1. What result we will get here? 42. 10 is here in plus. So when we change the side of 10, it turns into minus. Now 2 to the power 3x minus 1, that is equal to 32. Now 2 to the power 3x minus 1, that is equal to, now 32 we have to express as the exponential form of 2. So 32 will be expressed as the exponential form of 2. That means 32 is equal to what? 2 with 16 times, 2 with 8 times, 2 with 4 times, 2 with 2 times, and 2 with 1 time. That means how many 2s are here? 5 times. 4 and 5. So we can write it also 2 to the power 5. So in exponential form, we can write it 2 to the power 5. Now here we are looking both sides are equal. So if their base are equal, then exponents are also equal. So we have to write here comparing the exponents. Comparing the exponents. 3x minus 1, that is equal to 5. Therefore 3x is equal to 5 minus 1. When it turns this side, it turns into plus. Therefore the value of it here 5 plus 1, 6, and 3 is here multiply. So when we change the side 3, it turns into divide. Therefore the value of x is equal to 2. That is the correct option is D. In question number 11, what is the value of 2 by 3 whole to the power 0? If any number has power 0, that means its value is equal to 1. So here the correct option is C. The C option is correct here, 1. Now, question number 12, 13, 14, all are same. So we will solve here question number 14. But before we have to make it clean. Question number 14, we have to write the value of minus 3 by 4 overall square is equal to what? And the options are here. A, minus 9 by 16. B, 9 by 16. C, 16 by 9. And D is minus 16 by 9. Okay. Now for solve it, the square of minus 3 we have to solve, and the square 4 we have to solve. Square of minus 3 means minus 3 multiplied with minus 3 and 4 is multiplied with 4. 3 3 are 9 minus plus 4 4 is 16. The correct option is E. Question number 15 and 16 both are same. So we have to solve the question number 16. 0 decimal 4 times 0, 463. In a standard form is, in a standard form is, and the options are here. 463 into 10 to the power minus 7. B, 4.63 into 10 to the power minus 5. C, 4.63 into 10 to the power minus 9. And the D is here 46.3 into 10 to the power minus 6. Now, for represent this number in its standard form, we have to move this decimal after the first number. Means here we have to move. Now decimal we are moving from there after how many digits we are covering here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to move the decimal after 5 digits. That I have already taught you in the previous video how to write the numbers in a standard form. So we have to move the decimal after 5 digits. Now if we are moving the decimal in the right parts, that's how many times we are moving the decimal or how many digits the decimal is crossing. The same exponent we have to write in the over 10 but in minus. So 4.63 into 10 to the power minus 5. And the correct option is here B. Question number 17, we have to write it in usual form. 0.0000367 into 10 to the power 4 in usual form is 3.67, 36.7, 0.367, and the D is here 0.0367. Okay. Now, for adding this number in usual form, we have to move the decimal rightwards. How many digits? 4 digits. So 0.000367 into 10 to the power 4, that is, now we are moving decimal. Here what is the power of 10? 4. So we have to move the decimal 4 place ahead. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the decimal come after 3. 3.67. And the correct option is A here. The correct option is A. Okay, in this way we have completed exercise 2C. Okay, student, you will also solve it by yourself. Some questions I have not solved, which are similar to others. Okay, thank you for watching.